Hello, I'm Aditi Swarnam and I'm currently pursuing my final year MBBS in Apollo Medical College. Around 7 to 8 years ago, I came across Yashoda Young Doctors Camp. Ever since I was 7 years old, I've always wanted to become a doctor. And they gave a very deep insight into not only a doctor's life in the hospital, but at the same time a doctor's life in general and how busy, how challenging it could be. I was really intrigued and inspired by the fact that the doctor's life is not only challenging but at the same time a very noble profession to be in. So in the 1 week time, we were sent to wards, we were sent to different operation theatres, we were shown live operations as well. So I would say it was a very fun and at the same time a very good learning experience. So I would encourage all you young doctors and have a very fun and good learning experience. Thank you.